Hello everyone, welcome to Reading with Sherry. We're going to do making inferences. To make an inference, you're going to use the story's details to help make decisions about what has happened in the story. So you want to write on your note card, you want to write making inferences and then write this right here. Use story details to help make decisions about what has happened in the story. Okay, you want to put that on your note card and put in your note card box. Okay, so we're going to read Curious Creature. Okay, and then we are going to make inferences when we answer questions. Okay, Zolak boarded his spaceship and blasted off from the planet Vartog. He was on a special mission to learn about Earthlings. His spaceship landed gently in a desert. Zolak walked around looking for Earthlings, but all he could see were rocks and sand. Then he looked down and saw a dark creature lying down right next to him. In fact, the creature's feet were touching Zolak's feet. Zolak was scared and tried to run away, but everywhere he went, the creature followed him. At noon, Zolak realized that the creature had shrunk to a very small size, but was still right next to his feet. However, during the afternoon, the dark creature grew longer and longer. Then the strangest thing happened. Night came, and the dark creature completely disappeared. Okay, so to make inferences, we use story details to help make the decision about what has happened in the story. Okay, the first question is, who do you think the dark creature was? Well, I can only make the inference because I'm familiar with it, and I'm sure you are too, is a shadow. It was his shadow. Okay? The dark creature was his shadow. Okay? And how would we know that? Okay? Right here. He looked down, saw a dark creature lying down. The creature's feet were touching Zolak's feet. He tried to run away, but everywhere he went, the creature followed him. At noon, Zolak realized the creature had shrunk very small size to a very small size, but he was still right next to his feet. So during the afternoon, the dark creature grew longer and longer. And then at night, he completely disappeared. So that would tell you it was a shadow. It was his shadow. So Zolak saw his own shadow and thought it was a creature. So was the dark creature an earthling? No. Okay, it was a shadow. Do you think Zolak will give a true report about the Earthlings when he returns to Vartog? I think he will, because he was shocked and amazed and didn't know what was happening. I think he'll give a report. Zolak will give the report. Okay? Now, we could say no, he would not give a report if he found out it was his shadow, but Zolak in the story never really realized it was his shadow. At least it didn't tell us that. Okay? So, I'm going to say yes, he'd make a true report about the Earthling when he returned to Vartog. Okay? All right. So what we're going to do is we have these pictures here, and we're going to match them with the shadows that they go to, just for fun. The fish would go to the fish shadow. The butterfly to the butterfly shadow. The ball to the ball shadow. And the cat to the cat shadow. All right. We have another word worksheet for making inferences. And this is just going to help you. We have a little thing here we're going to kind of do. All right, so we're going to read each sentence. Then we're going to color the number space to the answer 1 or 2, 3 or 4, and we'll color in the space down here. And we'll see what the picture makes, okay? So we're going to be making inferences, okay? So he rode his bike. Who rode it? He did. So a girl, number 2, is not a he. A boy is a he. So number 1 is our first answer. So number 1, I'm going to color in this color pink here. Okay. Number 2. Okay, so this one says, let's throw snowballs. What time of year is it? Well, in the summer, we don't have snowballs. Winter, we have snowballs. So I'm going to color number 2. The question here is winter, so I'm going to color in number 4. Color yellow. Then color the number space in the picture. You know what? I'm going to color it the same color because it doesn't say color them different colors. I'm just used to doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and color them all the same color and see what we come out with. Okay. I'm just doing a fast color. I'm not going to worry about the lines. Okay. Run, John, run. What sport is John in? Swimming or track? Well, we know you don't run in swimming. We run in track. So 6. We're going to color in 6. Again, I'm just doing a fast color. Not worrying about the lines right now. Okay. Because we're more on making inferences, but we're having a little fun here. Okay, so please bait my hook. What am I doing? We're making inferences. If the sentence says, I baited my hook, I'm inferencing that I'm fishing, not playing baseball. So fishing is my answer. 7. Element 7. Breakfast is ready. We're inferencing that they're eating breakfast. It's ready. So what time is it? Is it night or morning? We inference that it is morning, just from the words. Okay, just from the word clues. Okay, 10. Okay, I'm so thirsty. What will I do? Let's make an inference. Thirsty. What will they do? Will they eat something or drink something? 11. They will drink something. And you make that inference with whether we have the sentence there, the answers there or not. We could say, well, then drink something. Okay. Sorry, I broke it. What could it be? Okay. I broke it. Did they break the stuffed animal or crystal vase? Well, I would say they broke it, the crystal vase. 14. Right here. All right. He's a professor. What is he? He, again, is a professor. A baby is not a professor. An adult is a professor. So we can color in. Okay. It won't fit in the car. So we're talking about the car. What is it? Because it won't fit in the car. The football? Football would fit in the car. A swing set? Not so much. So 17 is our answer. You know what? I think I got that wrong. I am so sorry. It says won't, keyword won't fit in the car. A swing set will not fit in the car. So I'm sorry, that is my mistake. So we don't want to color that one in. We color 18, which is part of this. I can already see the picture forming. So forgive me for that. Okay, so look at the dark cloud. Where should you look? up or down. We're looking at dark clouds, so we're looking up. 20 is up, so we have number 20. Okay. The lamb lost its mother. Who is its mother? A lamb has a horse as a mother or a sheep? A sheep. We're going to do 21. Color in 21. Are you seeing the picture so far? She wore a red hat. Who wore it? She. A man is not a she. A woman is. 24. Color it in. Okay. I see 1,000 stars. What time is it? Well, stars are out at night, and the two choices are noon or night. We're making the inference that the stars are out, so nighttime would be our answer. That's 26. And what is our picture? It is a teapot. There we go. Thank you for watching.